Hi guys, today I have a unboxing for FabFitFun. I got their spring box sent to me by them. I have partnered with them to do this video for you guys. So they sent me their spring box, and FabFitFun, if you don't know, is a seasonal box. So it comes 4 times a year. It's a $49.99 each time, but it is a box that is worth over $200, and it comes with not only beauty but wellness, lifestyle, fashion. So you get a good variety in here, and you definitely get your money's worth. They also gave me a coupon code. I do not get any compensation. It's just for your benefit if you want to use it. It's $10 off, and it will be down in the down box if you're interested in using that. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box, and these boxes are always freaking huge. And as always, at top they have a little magazine that kind of explains everything that's in here and how to use it, or if it's a fashion, how to use it as far as fashion goes. And everything's in here with the pricing, and I really like this because it's really detailed as to how to use things and things like that. So we'll go through the price points and everything that's in here. And they have a little fresh up coupon in here, and then it has a little paper on top. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and see what is in this month's box. Okay, so first thing in here that I see right away is this by Ish. I actually did a review on their products, and I will try to link that down below so you guys can check that out if you're interested in the makeup by Ish. What it stands for is I'm Smoking Hot. It is a FabFitFun beauty, kind of like their own beauty or makeup line, and they have a lot of awesome things. Some of the things I love, some of them I didn't. So I'm gonna see what this is. This is their lip statement palette, and this is worth $42. So let's just open up this puppy here. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so this is a lot of pinks and reds. So if you're not really into pinks, oh well, it has a few nudes and corals on top, and then mostly pinks and reds on the bottom. So it would depend if you really like this, but I do like that it comes with like a little pencil on here. They seem to be very moist because I can see like little droplets on them, so they seem to be very nice and moist. I don't want to stick my fingers in them, I don't know, because I just feel like kind of like nasty to stick my finger in it. So I will definitely try these with the lip brush. Let me know if you guys want a review on this, and I will definitely do a review for you guys on this palette. So it says that they are that they have rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera, and you can mix and match to make endless color combinations. Okay, so next thing in here, oh, these are so cute. These are by the brand Ebates, and this is the Daydreamer tassel earrings. These are $58, so these are pretty pricey. That is something with FabFitFun. Some of the jewelry is pretty pricey in here, but I mean, it's nice to try, but seriously, I don't think I would ever, like, a lot of times buy these, but this is really, really cute. I really love these tassel earrings. I've really been into like this kind of fashion trend, and you can get them either in peach or black, and I'm so happy I got them in black because black is something that I use all year round. Black is like my color of choice. Next thing in here is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, and as always, I forgot to mention this, every product that is in here is a full size, so every product that you get is completely full size. So here is the Murad, and this is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. And what it is, let me see where it is. It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, and Queen of Meadow refined skin texture, and Arnica Stews for smoother, healthier looking complexion. So you get a full size. I have yet to try a lot of Murad, so this is going to be a good way of trying this out. And this is worth $40. So, and Murad is known to be really, really good for skin. I don't know why I've never like really tested it out. Next thing in here is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So this is a little Dove kind of polish. So this will be fun to try out. I love scrubs, so this is a nice way of trying out Dove's new scrub. And I love the smell of Dove in general. Their stuff really is really nice. Next thing in here is the Kors Guava Body Butter. And I don't ever know what happened to Kors. Kors used to be sold in Sephora, and I haven't seen it in forever. So this comes with 4.23 fluid ounces. This is worth $24. Apparently, you have, let me go ahead and show you guys. You could either get, okay, focus. Let me see if it'll focus. Okay, so you could either get the earrings or a necklace. So it's either or in your box. And then you can either get the guava lotion or these lip masks. So either or. So each box has like a variation, so you can either get one of each beauty item and one of each jewelry item, kind of to like switch it up. So it depends on your box, you'll get one or the other. So I'm not mad at this because I remember how much I loved Kors and I love the smell of their guava. I just don't know what happened to it as far as in Sephora. Maybe it just wasn't doing as well. So I hope. Oh yeah, it smells so good. I used to have like their lip stuff, their lip products, especially the guava one was one of my all-time favorites. It's just very fruity and just, oh my god, it just takes me back to being in Puerto Rico. So I absolutely love that. Next thing in here is, let me see. This is, it seems like a little bag. It says Rachel Pally. I have no idea who that is. Let me know if you guys know. And this is worth $60. Whoa. Okay, so this is like a bag in a bag. Oh, okay, so that's what it looks like. It's orange with these flowers and then like this mustard color. I have nothing like this in my purse collection. Apparently this is just like a little handbag that you carry around, like a little, what are those called? Let me see, what is it called? A clutch. That's exactly what it's called. And this is by Rachel Pally, and it's a, it has 3 different shades, Bloom, Sahara, and Paradise. And they're reversible clutches, so you get like a 2-in-1. And then you can do it like this where you can have the pattern and then like a little peek of the color. So this is very beautiful. Let me know if you guys know who she is. I like the fact that it has kind of like the little, I'm sorry if you guys can hear my husband playing with my son in the background. They're like waiting for me. So I like the fact that it has like its own little storage compartment where you can like store it and keep it nice and safe. I have no idea who she is, so let me know if you guys know. And this is the variation of the different bags. There's this orange one, there's this cute little cream one, and then there's this mint green with pink. I really like these two the most, so I'm glad that I got the orange one. The mint looks really pretty too. Okay, so next thing in here is, oh, this is nice. This is like one of those masks to sleep with. This is the Free People and times understated leather starred eye travel eye mask. Damn, that's a long name. This is worth $40. I'm not gonna put it on my face because I have makeup on, but does that not look super cute? It has all these stars. There's this one, a peach one, a mint one, and then a white one. And it's very, very thick inside. It almost has like a gel kind of matte, like a gel little package in here. So it says this vegan leather eye mask features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking fresh. So it's adjustable elastic, so you can definitely like adjust it here. And it says that it fits every time and charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. So it says to keep the cooling pouch in your fridge, and then when you're going to use it at night to put it on there, which I'm definitely going to try this because my eyes need some tender loving. So I will definitely be trying this at night and seeing if it really helps with like a depuffing or anything like that. But this is a really nice, and it says with love from Texas. So Free People apparently is from Texas. I like the fact that the leather is you know, cruelty-free. It's a vegan leather, so it has a little pouch where you can store it in like that. But it is pretty pricey. It's probably because of the vegan leather. Next thing in here is it says #1 Manhattan Beach. It's a bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, citrus, and heliotrope. And it's from the Sunset collection from Anderson and Lily. And oh, it's a candle. Oh, look, it's so pretty in rose gold. Okay, so this is the Anderson Lily Sunset Collection. It has Manhattan Beach. You can get Fresh Linen or Super Bloom. I'm happy that I got the Manhattan Beach because these scents are like right up my alley. I love really, really strong scents like that. And this is worth $45. I have no idea about Anderson Lily, but these candles are really expensive. Okay, so it says that it is a hand-poured coconut wax blend and cotton lead-free wick. The candle delivers a clean, even burning fragrance. And it says it's housed in a lovely copper-colored vessels. These candles will add as much style as they do fragrance to any room. And then it says that after you finish it, you can clean it out and actually use this to store stuff, which I will definitely do because I love the fact that it's rose gold like that. But this is a pretty pricey candle, even though it does smell very, very good. Okay, and let's see what else is in here. Next thing in here is the Dermalect Cosmeticals. This is a makeover concealing ridge filler. This is keratin peptide infused Panavitin moisture magnet, and it's an anti-aging nail treatment. I don't know why when I saw concealer, I accidentally thought it was like a concealer for your eyes. So this is a, I don't know what you use this for. It's a concealer and treatment for your nails. It says apply 1 to 2 coats on your natural nails as a treatment or under polish as a base coat. So I guess it's just to like treat your nails. We'll definitely see if this works. It says that it helps damaged nails. It helps ridges, yellowing, discolored, acrylic or gel, dehydrated, wick, brittle, or spotted nails. So we'll definitely see if this improves my nails. We'll use it as a base coat and see how it goes. And the last thing in here is this little contraption right here. This is a $20 massage roller, and it says this massage roller does wonders for your sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. So I don't know if someone like goes through this on your back. We'll definitely have to look in here and see how to use it. And just to show you guys, like I said, they have different articles in here, and it says that you can use this on your lower back, on your hips. You can even like roll it against your quads, your feet, your shoulders. So it's to like give yourself a little tender loving care. I absolutely think that I will be using this because lately my back has been on fire. I don't know what it is after having a C-section, having to have, you know, anesthesia put through my back, that lately I feel like I just can't crack my back like I used to. I know that that's not supposedly good for you, but I used to always be able to crack my back like in the mornings when I stretched, and now it just like does not do anything. So I don't know what is up with that, but yeah, I will definitely be using this or having my husband like massage my back with it. So I think that that's a good price for it. It's $20. And overall, I have to say that the bag to me is like super cute. I just don't know like if I would in person pay $60 for this because I have no idea who Rachel Pally is. If someone could let me know, or you know, keep me in the loop and let me know if I'm like been living under a rock and I have no idea who she is. Other than that, I really love the cores. I like the little Dove tester, the Murad. I don't really like, I wasn't like amazed by this. We'll see if I like it in the long run. The lip palette seems like something fun to try, but I'm not one to gravitate to palettes for lip products just because I feel like you can't take it with you when you leave. So it's something that you have to just put in your house and then just like go. It is nice though that it does have a full-size mirror in here, and it does have the lip brush, so I do like that, but it is, you know, pretty big. The only thing is that I do think that this would be really nice for traveling just because you have all these shades in here, and it would be nice like when I go on my cruise. The earrings are super cute, just really pricey, and the candle as well smells divine but super pricey. So let me know what you guys think. I know that sometimes like FabFitFun I feel like has some pricey things, but overall I feel like you get really your money's worth. I just wish that some of the products weren't as pricey as it seems, because sometimes like I would like it to be stuff that I would want to purchase myself, or if I wanted like, let's say another pair of these earrings in a different color, I'm not one to go, you know, spend $58 on another pair of these earrings. You know, it's just kind of like out of my budget. Even if it was in my budget, I don't think I would spend almost $60 on like fantasy earrings like this. And that is it for the box in general. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your opinion, your feedback. And that is it for the spring box. Let me know if you're going to be picking it up or if you will be skipping on it. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. I just absolutely love all the support that you guys give me. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. I love you guys, and until next time. Bye guys.